Hello, today I'm going to be making a felt rose. What you will need is a piece of felt measuring 34 centimeters by 6 centimeters. So you start by folding the corner like this, then roll that up. That's your rosebud. Then we twist and turn. Then when it gets to the edge, twist and turn. Keep going. Twist, turn, twist, and fold. And then the end bit I usually tuck inside the other fold, if that makes sense. So left with a lovely rose like that. Then I usually use a needle and thread just to stitch that in place. You can use glue, but I prefer a thread for a neater finish. And then you can stick it on your fascinator or use your roses for dresses or anything really. Okay, I hope you found this video useful. Please leave any questions or comments below, and hopefully you'll join me in the next one. Bye.